Hey everyone, looking to keep your high-performance processor cool without turning your setup into a noisy wind tunnel? You are in the right place. Today on Best Product, we are talking about the best air-cooled CPU cooler for modern builds, especially if you are upgrading to the latest Intel or AMD platform. Let's get started. Meet the Deepcool AG400 air-cooled CPU cooler. Designed with Intel 12th generation and AMD Zen 3 platforms in mind, this cooler is built to handle the heat that today's powerful CPUs can generate, and it does it in a smart and efficient way. One of the standout features is its advanced polymer heat pipe base. Instead of using a traditional distributed heat pipe layout, Deepcool uses a design that makes more precise contact with the CPU core. What does that mean for you? Faster heat transfer away from the processor. So when you are gaming, editing videos, or running heavy tasks, your CPU stays cooler and more stable. At the center of the AG400 is a high-performance silent fan. It delivers around 20% more airflow compared to many conventional fans. More airflow means better heat dissipation, which helps maintain lower temperatures during intense workloads. And the best part is the noise level stays under 31.6 decibels even at full load. That means you get strong cooling power without annoying background noise. It is great for anyone who wants a quiet workspace or gaming room. Installation is also simple and flexible. The fan is designed for easy setup and removal, so if you need to clean your system or adjust components, you can do it without hassle. That small detail can save a lot of time during upgrades or maintenance. Another impressive upgrade in the Deepcool AG400 ARGB V5 is the heat pipe offset structure. Unlike older vertical heat pipe designs, this new layout improves compatibility with modern motherboards. It gives you better clearance around high-profile solid-state drives and other nearby components. Whether you are building in an ATX or MATX case, you can install your storage and other parts confidently without worrying about space issues. Deepcool also includes its two-way constant heat balance technology. This might sound complex, but the idea is simple. The internal structure of the heat pipes is optimized to balance liquid and gas movement more effectively. So whether your case is positioned vertically or horizontally, the cooler maintains consistent thermal performance. The phase change process inside the pipes works efficiently to lower temperatures and keep your system stable. With its 5th-generation upgrades, including the polymer heat pipe base, the offset heat pipe structure, and the two-way heat balance technology, the Deepcool AG400 ARGB V5 combines innovation and practicality. It is built not just to cool, but to adapt to modern hardware layouts and real-world usage. The overall design feels solid and purposeful. It looks clean inside a build and fits well with both minimal and RGB-focused setups. More importantly, it delivers reliable performance that keeps your processor running smoothly. So if you are planning a new build or upgrading your current system, this cooler is definitely worth considering. Don't miss out. Check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Best Product for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.